Hi everybody, we're going to do an episode of New Commissions. So New Commissions is where we unbox and unveil new things that have just arrived at the shop, like new custom things. And today, rather than unboxing things that I've personally received, we're unboxing two pairs of shoes for two different customers, but they both happen to be Lazyman style shoes made by Yohei Fukuda. These were made to order, and given that this year, like Fukuda-san's managed to clear a lot of his backlog, these actually arrived relatively fast too. So we did the order for these in May, and we're now in August, and they've arrived. That's really fast for him. All right, so let's start with this one. And to be honest, I don't even know what this is going to look like, so I'm really, really excited to see it. You might notice that the shoe is not shipped with a shoe tree right now, and it's because Fukuda-san gets his shoe trees made in the UK, and the factory is closed right now. But rather than wait, and you know what, I'll tell you all about that later. That is awesome. So Lazyman, but with the fake laces, and with a full brogued wingtip and a medallion. Man, the back is super nice. Look at that. Seamless on the back. Oh, it's so good. I love it. We made this one in a slightly wider fitting for this customer too. All right, let me grab the other one now. Anyway, as I was rambling on a second ago, what I was saying about the shoe trees is that the shoe trees are made in the UK, and the UK factories right now are on holiday and a little bit behind schedule compared to Fukuda-san's operation in Tokyo. So we are going to be fulfilling this customer's shoe tree order a little bit later. All right, these are beautiful. Brown calf, Lazyman, full brogue, seamless back with the fake lacing and with the punching and medallion as well. All right, let's have a look at this one. This one did manage to make it in time with a shoe tree. Wow. Very different. Very, very different. Both are awesome, but very, very different shoes. Huh. I relish the opportunity to wear a shoe like this, right? Jet black, really sleek and elegant. Man, I love this pair. But at the same time, I see a full brogue Lazyman like this, and I could see that being used all the time as well. You could almost get away with it as like a semi-casual shoe. Beautiful. All right, so that is our little unboxing of these two new pairs of Fukuda MTO shoes that just arrived at the shop. If you're interested in making a pair of Fukudas for yourself, we can take orders all year round. We have leather samples available. We also have fitting samples available, so you can get an idea of like how the shoe fits. And delivery is pretty fast, so anywhere between 3 to 6 months, depending on how busy Fukuda-san is. And please, let me know what you think. Like, which pair of shoes do you prefer? I mean, they're both beautiful, and I'm sure everyone kind of has their own ideas or how they might use it in their own wardrobes. All right, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching.